He's got height. His bitch tall. My fat, wide. My thin, small. His punchlines, I hate y'all like one size. It fits all. Wala. Fuck that angle shit. Wala angle-angle. Papisot na. Tough guy with big balls. May six-pack yung body. Eh kung tadjakal kita sa bayag, merong bang six-pack yung ari? Mixed martial artist daw yung schemes at kunwari merong Steve Mazzagatti, pati Big John McCarthy. If he dies, ako'y Mario Yamasaki. Yung punchlines unnecessary, I drop bombs on Nagasaki at tapakan ko yung skull hanggang burog at sobrang bloody tila. Ayaw bang mag-start nitong wasak kong Kawasaki?